Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and this is a follow-up video. This is part 2 of the built-in satellite navigation operating manual. So I'm going to give you another little run through on here. In part 1 I showed you how to put in a new address and circumnavigate quickly around the media system. Now what we're actually wanting to do now is go into a stored address. So we don't want to put a postcode in, we don't want to put a destination in. We know that we've been there previously, but we just want to revisit that. So pushing the navigation flag wakes up this menu, and then if I put my hand near the screen, it wakes up the different menus. And what I want to do is I want to go into this one here, which says My Destinations. So when I click on that one, we have a couple of different menus, but the one that I fancy is the one second from the bottom that says Last Destinations. So when I select that, we have all of our previous setups on there. So if I said, for example, I want to go into Exeter's city centre, all I now have to do is push the arrow, and then it says that's where it's going to take me, and I can simply push start, and there we go. The red line that's on there is showing me which way it wants me to head. And I can zoom in or out using that button there. When I've reached my destination, I can put my hand near the screen, push the route button, and then top one, stop guidance. There we go. Then it's turned it all off. All right. Hope you found this useful. I will come back with a part 3 that will allow you to store various destinations and also, more importantly, delete some of them as well. But thanks for watching, and if you found it useful, give us a like. Thank you very much. Bye for now.